Welcome to the exciting world of event planning. Today we are going to learn how to organize an event, whether it's a birthday party, a talent show, a charity fundraiser, or even a sports day. No matter the kind of event you are planning, the steps to make it happen are pretty much the same. By the end of this, you'll be ready to plan and pull off your own event with excitement and confidence. Before we jump in, here's what you'll need to get started. You will need a notebook and pen to jot down your ideas as we go along. It's also handy to have a brainstorming sheet to organize your thoughts. We'll be using an event checklist and to-do list template with timelines to help you stay on track and make sure everything gets done on time. A budgeting sheet will help you manage how much money you'll need for the event, and colored pens and post-its are always fun to highlight the most important tasks. If you're working with a team roster sheet will help you assign jobs. Finally, you'll need invitation cards or posters to invite people or market to people. And don't forget a post-event, thank you note, or an email. Step 1. Setting your event goal. Every great event starts with a goal. Ask yourself, why are you planning this event? Is it to celebrate something fun like a birthday party or school fair? Or maybe it's to help others, like a charity fundraiser. Knowing the purpose of your event will help guide the rest of your planning. For example, if you're organizing a sports day, your goal might be to create a fun time for everyone to enjoy and to encourage teamwork. If you're planning a bake sale to raise money for charity, your goal would be to raise as much money as possible. Whatever the goal, make sure to write it down in your notebook to keep it in mind as you plan. Step 2. Picking the date, time, and location. Next, think about when and where your event will happen. The date and time should work for most people. For example, if it's a school talent show, an afternoon or evening time might work best, whereas an outdoor picnic or sports day would be better in the morning. The location is just as important. Will it be at school, in a park, or even in your backyard? Make sure the spot fits the type of event you're organizing. Once you've chosen your date, time, and location, write them down in your notebook or brainstorming sheet to help you stay on track. Step 3. Making your to-do list and create timelines. Now comes one of the most fun parts of event planning, making your to-do list. This is where you write down everything that needs to happen to make your event a success. For instance, you might need to send out invitations, set up decorations, prepare snacks, and plan games or activities. A good to-do list will help you stay organized and make sure nothing is forgotten. Put timelines against each of the to-do lists. A timeline helps you see when each task needs to get done. This makes sure you're not rushing around at the last minute. For example, you might need to send out invitations 2 weeks before the event, buy decorations 1 week before, and on the day of the event, make sure everything is set up at the location. You can use your timeline template to plan everything step by step so that nothing sneaks up on you. Each time you complete a task, you get the satisfaction of crossing it off your list. Step 4. Planning your budget. Even for small events, it's important to think about how much everything will cost. This is called a budget. You'll need to plan how much money you'll spend on things like food, drinks, decorations, and maybe even prizes. If you're planning a fundraising event, it's especially important to keep costs low so you can raise more money for your cause. Use your budgeting sheet to write down how much each item will cost, and be sure to stick to your budget. Step 5. Assigning jobs to team. Planning an event is much easier and more fun when you work with friends. You can assign different jobs to your team to make sure everyone is involved. For example, someone could be the event manager, making sure everything goes according to plan, while another person could be the food leader, responsible for snacks and drinks. If you're having games or activities, you might want a game master to organize them. Using the team roster sheet, write down the names of your friends or classmates next to the job they'll do. This way, everyone knows what they're responsible for. Step 6. Inviting people and marketing the event. Once you've got your event planned, it's time to invite people. You can make cool invitation cards to hand out, or posters to put up around your school or neighbourhood. If it's a big event, you can even announce it at school during an assembly or on a school bulletin board. Be sure to think about how many people you want to invite and where they will fit in your venue. Once your guest list is ready, write down the names of everyone you're inviting in your notebook so you don't forget anyone. Step 7. Event day. Time to have fun. The big day has arrived. On the day of the event, make sure everything is set up and ready before the guests arrive. Check your to-do list and timeline to make sure nothing is missing, whether it's decorations, food, or games. When people start arriving, welcome them, guide them through the event, and most importantly, have fun. You've worked hard, and now it's time to enjoy the event you've put together. Step 8. Post-event activities. Clean up and thank you. After all the fun is over, it's time to clean up. Make sure the place is as tidy as it was when you got there. You could hire a cleaning vendor or do it by yourself. It's also a great idea to thank everyone who helped make the event a success. You could even send a thank you note or a quick message to your friends, teachers, or parents who supported you. Tidying up and saying thanks are the final important steps to wrapping up your event on a positive note. Step 9. Debrief. Debriefing after an event is a crucial step that shouldn't be overlooked. It's a time to reflect on how the event went, both the positive aspects and areas that could be improved. This process helps you understand what worked well, like how smoothly the activities ran or how much people enjoyed the event. At the same time, it's an opportunity to identify any challenges or issues that came up, such as whether the planning was rushed, if enough help was available, or if anything was missing. By discussing these details with your team, you can learn valuable lessons that will make your future events even better. Debriefing ensures that you grow as an event planner and helps you build confidence in organising successful events. Now it's time for you to plan and run a fundraising event. Now that you know the steps to planning any event, it's time to put your skills to the test. Your activity is to plan and run a fundraising event for a cause you care about. It could be a bake sale, a sports day, or even a talent show. The goal is to raise money while having fun and using all the skills you just learned. Here's what to do. 1. Decide what type of event you want to organise. The choice is yours. 2. Set a goal for how much money you want to raise. 3. Follow the steps you learned. Choose the date, time, and location. Make your to-do list and budget. Assign jobs to your friends or team members. Invite people and promote your event. 4. On the day of the event, run it with confidence and have fun. 5. After the event, remember to thank everyone, clean up, and debrief. Event planning is a lot of fun, especially when you're working with a great team and have a clear plan. You've now learned all the steps needed to plan any type of event, from a small party to a big school fundraiser. Now it's your turn to start planning and create an unforgettable event of your own. Good luck, and have fun with your fundraising event.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more exciting content to inspire and guide your kids in their entrepreneurial journey.